Hello everybody. Today we'll be demonstrating, looking in detail, and reviewing a DEWALT cordless 5-inch orbital disc sander. First, let's have a close look before we do some work with it. By the way, the battery is not included. I'm just using it here to demonstrate this sander. Despite the battery being 5 amp hours, it is still lightweight. It is extremely easy to use and works well. I especially like the power, portability, and efficiency. It will make you wonder how you ever managed without it. The freedom of being able to move around without worrying about a cord dragging behind you is wonderful. Those sanding discs are just so awesome with the Velcro technology. Switching sanding discs is a breeze. By the way, this video is not sponsored, and I am giving you my honest opinion. We also have a manual in the package. By the way, this video is not sponsored, and I am giving you my honest opinion. Thank you for watching.